Hey, young scholars, welcome back. I hope you had a great break. I had a fun break. It was nice to relax, but now we got to hit it hard again. So today we're going to be starting out with a new unit. The first part of this unit will be focusing on the Industrial Revolution. And the Industrial Revolution really was a scientific revolution that shook the foundations of the world and forever changed how people live and still is affecting us today. But before we get into the Industrial Revolution, we need to figure out how life was before the Industrial Revolution. And so we have two short videos we'd like for you to watch. In this first one, as you watch this, think about or try to answer these two questions right here. What was the domestic system and where did people work? And then this other short video you're going to watch is right down here, and there's three questions I want you to be able to answer. How did people make the items they needed? How often did people travel? And how much education did people have before the Industrial Revolution? And again, you're not going to turn these answers in, just try to make a mental note. And if you can answer them, watch it again. But these are short videos, and you might see questions like this again. And then once you're done with this, you're ready to move on to the video guide and getting into the Industrial Revolution. So hit the next button right down here. And you're going to answer what the Industrial Revolution was. And so I have this great video that a teacher friend of mine made, and it's about a 12, 13-minute presentation, and she's going through some slides. And so what I want you to do is complete the video guide that goes with it, and you can just click on it right down here. As you watch a video, do a split screen, and if you notice that on the video notes it'll say slide 1 or slide 2 or slide 3, and that'll help you answer the questions. And then just submit it when you're done. And then also, if you want to learn more about the Industrial Revolution, the link down here about life for the Lowell girls. You don't know who they are yet, but you will once you're done with this video. All right, thanks and have a great day.